periods of light rain, but it's probably from about this point tomorrow night into early Friday morning that things could get a little messy, and that's when the winter storm watch will go into effect, and it could be upgraded to a winter storm warning by then. But outside, here's what it looks like at this hour, 4:30. We've got some high clouds over downtown Houston. Nothing falling from those clouds, about 25,000 feet above the ground, made up of ice crystals, but not producing precipitation. We're at 69 degrees, up from our low temperature last night in the upper 20s, low 30s. Our winds are still out of the south at 3. The dew points are still down into the upper 20s, so still very dry air, which will lead to a very cool evening tonight. Down in Galveston, with high clouds over the island as well, but still some sunshine beaming through as you look live over UTMB. 61 right now in Galveston, south winds at 8. And relative humidity at 67%. So here's the setup. We've got the high clouds moving in right now. This is actually moisture coming in from the Pacific Ocean. This Pacific moisture is just one element of this developing winter storm. While to the north of us, you can see here the line of the cloud cover. That's another cold front that's pushing southward. What's different about this front? It's pushing southward. At the same time, the moisture is thickening up from the Pacific Ocean. A little disturbance moving along in the upper atmosphere will help enhance the lift on the other side of that cold front, which is why we're forecasting a wintry mix around here. So two link up, we end up with what could be a wintry mix and a wintry mess by early Friday morning. So here's what I think is going to happen. And let me add to this, expect surprises in the forecast. These forecast models don't do a very good job of forecasting extreme events, and this will be an extreme event for us. So let's start with coastal areas from Galveston down to the south. It'll start off with some light rain tomorrow, but then late Thursday into early Friday. This is where we get the rain mixing with a little bit of freezing rain and a few ice pellets. Around Houston, freezing rain mixing with ice pellets or sleet and perhaps a few snowflakes, but we're not expecting those snowflakes to be all that significant around Houston or along I-10. To the north, you may get a little bit more light snow mixed with a few ice pellets. And all of this will be very light on the eastern side of the area. A little more in accumulation you can get out into the hill country. But it could be just enough to cause some problems here early Friday morning. For Thursday, we've got a 60% chance of rain in the forecast. That high of 49 probably set early in the day by noon, then dropping into the upper 30s by 3 p.m. And by that point, we'll probably see some periods of light rain. Friday, also a 60% chance of rain. The temperatures here start off at 30 at 7 a.m. We probably won't get above freezing until the afternoon, but we will get above freezing in the afternoon, which means anything frozen that falls from Thursday night into Friday morning would melt right away late Friday. And then by Saturday and Sunday, we're back in the 50s and 60s here, and we're done with this storm. But again, the winter storm watch in effect beginning late tomorrow into early Friday. There could be some icy bridges and overpasses around here Friday morning.